gonads often are not in full force, depending on the time of year, so you may not see them so well. So there's the crop.
Not in full force.
You see the seeds in it. All right. It's the proventriculus right here.
Right where?
Right in
Just
here.
below the crop?
It goes down into the gizzard, which is over here. I didn't quite open it all the way yet.
I didn't quite open it. Let me tear it.
Give it a little more encouragement. So there's the liver. There's the heart. There's the liver. Liver, heart, gizzard. Right there.
Crunchy.
And, oh, piece of liver.
Liver.
Don't say whoops.
That's a brain surgeon joke.
That's what you, yeah, whoops and a brain surgeon, not good. And the thing that's always best on the bird is what?
The pancreas.
They always have the best looking pancreas of any of the animals we dissect. No, there's a mammal one
So
too.
there's one in 2 weeks.
There's 2 labs still, I think. One lab left next week.
And that's part of it right there.
Pancreas?
Yeah, right there. And then the kidneys are down here. I think that's a part of the liver I broke off by accident. Yeah. This doesn't count. Let's leave that there. There's a kidney. I don't see the gonads on this one either. Looks like the oviduct right there, or the vas deferens. But there's the kidney down there on one side. And there it is even better on this side. Always in the back like that.
The kidney?
The kidney, yeah. This one's kind of light colored. Usually it's darker, but
Do we need to know gonads? It's not even on here. Didn't say gonads anywhere.
So they're just doing it for fun.
over your testes. Which is the gonad.
Gonad is both, right?
Yeah, but I can't find it on this bird, so I can tell it's male or female. But that other one has it really good. That one's obviously male.
Would it be smaller if it's a female or?
It'd be just